Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up your Google Analytics with MonsterInsights plugin. So let's now install MonsterInsights. So we would have it here. And now we're going to go ahead and set up our Google Analytics account. I already have it, so you just need to sign up, enter all of the information, and after this you want to go ahead and start collecting data for your website or app. So you want to choose web, and here you will need to enter your website name. So I'm just gonna go and copy it from my WordPress, and let's go back here, enter it just like so. Website name, I'm just gonna do this. And now you want to go ahead and create and continue. Now let's go and set up our MonsterInsights plugin. So let's launch the wizard, and now we're gonna set up the account. So I'm just gonna leave it to maybe publisher, connect to your website, and let's wait for it a little bit. Now what we need to select account for Google Analytics and so on and so forth. Now we have this property, which I have here on my account as well. And now we need to complete the connection. And that's basically how it will connect with Google Analytics. Now we need to do some recommended settings. So this is a must-have, events tracking, enhanced link attribution, file download tracking, affiliate link tracking, who can see the reports, updates automatically, and some show MonsterInsights badge, so you don't want it, and help us improve. Let's just save and continue. Which website features would you like to enable? So you just want to choose which ones you want. Some advanced reports maybe. I'm just gonna leave it like so. And here it is. Tracking and analytics are all set up. It may take between few hours to 24 hours for reports to populate, and that's basically that. A complete setup without upgrading. And now basically your MonsterInsights is set up with Google Analytics. You can always go back here and do some setup again, and that's basically it. You will see it now. Now after some time you will see your data right there. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.